Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I have an interesting little tutorial for you today, and I know a lot of you already know about this, but based on something someone told me recently, they bought a Toyota Sequoia and didn't realize that the child safety locks were engaged. They hopped into the back seat just to see how it felt to sit back there. Then they had to climb through the pass-through between the driver and passenger front seats to get out because both doors were locked. And if you're not aware, here are the child safety locks. You can see the lock right here and the down arrow. This is how you turn them on, where it's in the down position like that. That means the child safety locks are active. When it's in that position like that, that upward position, that means they are not active or not locked. Hopefully that helps somebody out and helps you to avoid that little difficulty of having to find yourself trapped in the back seat of your Sequoia and having to climb through that pass-through to get back out. If there is a tutorial on a Toyota or anything else you would like to see me do in one of my future videos, tell me down in the comment section. I'll make it for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.